Today is the topic of Ayurvedic management of Brahm with respect to BPV, a case report. Case report is a 45-year-old female patient come to OPD of Salakya Tantra department with the chief complaint of episodic vertigo associated with head movement since 6 months. History of present illness. Patient was well before 6 months. Gradually, she started suffering from episodic vertigo several times in a day during changing the position, especially when sitting up from the lying position and when bent toward earth, and from that upright position associated with burning in chest. So she came for Ayurvedic treatment in our hospital. She has same complaint before 1 year. At that time, she has taken allopathic medicine. No any positive family history was found. Personal history is diet vegetarian, appetite moderate, bowel regular, menstruation is normal, sleep disturbed, addiction no any addiction. All vital sign and general physical sign are found to be normal layman. Patient was housewife. On examination, ear examination is normal, nose examination is normal, throat examination normal, audiogram in both ear hearing threshold was within normal limit. SI test is left ear 0% and right ear is 15%. Both ear normal threshold hearing. See image. Diagnosis after general examination, Dix-Helpig maneuver, audiogram and SI test was done. Dix-Helpig maneuver was positive. The finding of pure tone audiogram of patient hearing threshold was within normal limit. SI test finding was right ear 15% and left ear is 0%. After assessing the symptom and all the findings, patient was diagnosed as BPPV. Introduction of BPPV is benign proximal positional vertigo is a disease in which patient feels vertigo when the head is placed on certain critical position. There is no hearing loss or other neurological symptom. BPPV is the commonest presenting cause of vertigo with an estimated lifetime prevalence of 2.4%. It is treated by performing Apple maneuver, but after maneuver, several patients report gait instability and recurrence of BPPV. Increase with length of follow-up eventually occurs in most patients. Acharya Susrut and Bhagvat. Acharya Susrut has described 28 Karan Roga and Acharya Bhagvat was described 25 Karan Roga. But there is no any description of symptom like Brahm. So any direct correlation can be made of BPPV with Karan Roga. In BPPV, vertigo is the main symptom, so symptomatically it can be correlated with Brahm. Brahm is a Vatajananatamaj Vyadhi, and Acharya Susrut has described that due to violation of Raja and Vata Pitta dosha, patients suffer from Brahm. In BPV, it can be correlated with that due to avran of atopenia, violation of Vata dosha occurs. So here Vata Anumlamak and Vata Pitta Samak Dravya and should be given as treatment. Treatment protocol. Abhipatti ka Churan 5 gram and Sudh Ras 125 mg orally twice a day before meal with grith for 2 months. Dhanvasyak Vatha of Chakradat 10 gram orally twice a day before meal with grith for 2 months. Anutel Nasya 8 drops in each nostril, one sitting for 7 days. After that, Pratimas Nasya. Patya apatya, avoid loud noise and using headphone. Choti Jalpan daily, avoid Amal, Lavan and Katu Ras Dravya. Result and discussion. There was significant improvement in the episode of vertigo after 1 month treatment. After 2 month treatment, no vertigo persists. Ayurvedic management of BPPV is based on the principle of Vata Pitta Samak, Vata Anulamak or Storto Sodak. In BPPV, There is a pathology in inner ear. Karan is adhistan of Sarna Indrani. For Sirostortat Sodan, Nasya should be used. So Anutel Nasya is given here for Storta Sodan of Karna. Dhanvasak Vad is mentioned by Acharya Chakradart in Brahmroga Adhikar and having Pitta Samak property and is given with Grita for Vata Saman. Abhipattika Churan is mainly Pitta Samak and also having property of Vata Anuluman. In Falashruti of Sushekha Rasa, Brahm is also described and its main Rodhikar is Amalpita. Patient also having complaint of Amalpita, so here Sushekha Rasa is given with Abhipattika Churan.